Alright, what's up guys? So today I am going to be doing ride-alongs with my family with brand new to me 2020 Jeep Trackhawk. Super excited. I am the baby sister, I'm the youngest, I'm the only one that's really into cars. I'm definitely a little different than the rest of my family, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. Let's get started. Everyone, say hi, Mom. Mother dearest, she put me on this earth. Mom, what's the fastest car you've ever been in?
I don't know, Sass.
You've ridden like motorcycles and stuff before, right?
Yeah, but not fast. But I don't like going fast. It's scary. It's scary.
I'm taking Mother dearest for a ride in the Jeep Trackhawk.
You're scaring me already. Don't hit the police car.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my God, shit. Sarah. Holy fuck. Excuse me. You could have warned me you were going to do that.
This car has 700
And you just
horsepower.
burned like 1,000,000 gallons of gas.
Yeah.
Shit, Sarah, that scares me.
It has this really cool feature where when you're in paddle shift mode, you press and hold the left one and it puts you in the perfect gear you need to be in to accelerate, like to go off.
Like I don't
really
even know
fast.
what you're talking about.
So we're taking Mom for a ride along to... Hi, may I please have a... Thank you. McDonald's. So I had my name on one. I ordered one pretty much. It wasn't coming like fast enough in real life. There was no time frame of when it was actually going to be at the dealership. And they told me that they were adding $10,000 to the price once it hits the dealership floor. That's it. No questions asked. Sorry about it. I wanted a white one. The one I had my name on was black. I feel like it kind of worked out for a reason. Not that bad, right? I feel like I'm already used to it. I told Aaron I thought the supercharger was broken.
I mean, that's not...
Would you ever come to the drag strip with me?
No.
Okay, now we're waiting for my brothers to walk down, so we're gonna get their first look reaction. My brother, for background information, has a regular Grand Cherokee. So he thought it was super dope that I got the Trackhawk. Wow! Oh my God! What do you think?
It's awesome. I like the yellow calipers. Scared, Mom?
Dude, Mom said, holy fuck!
She didn't tell me she was gonna do it.
6 miles per gallon or something?
Pretty much. Double tap, bottom right.
Where'd you have to go? Virginia or something?
We went up to Pennsylvania. These are my brothers, 2 of 3. They're not single, so don't ask.
I am.
What's the fastest car you guys have been in?
Probably this.
Probably the truck I was talking about. It's like 760 horsepower.
Was that like what you guys did when you were like a little bit older? Like not as like kids? I feel like none of us were really like into cars when we were little.
Oh,
No.
yeah, I'm still not like super into them.
Yeah.
I mean, they're cool. I just don't, I'm not like super passionate.
They were big sport players. They played soccer and stuff, so. I'm just
Yeah.
attesting to the fact, I tell everyone, I'm like, my family is not like
No, you definitely
into
know
cars.
more about cars than I do.
Yeah.
100%.
But-
I check my tire pressure pretty well.
It'll show me at 0 to 60. So
Really?
like,
Hell yeah. That's like encouraging you to just haul ass.
I realized that I am a chicken shit. So when I took Mom,
Yeah.
I never put my foot all the way to the floor.
I would be scared I would blow my motor or something like that. Yeah, that's what I was picturing. Hell yeah. What a beast. It's so much fun. Every time I
So
ride in like
ridiculous.
fast cars, I'm like, I like fast cars.
I love the silence. It just goes, just like as
Well,
soon
you
as you
can't-
get
you
on it,
don't say
everyone's just like,
anything.
Yeah, what do you say?
It's like the
it was Mom! It was fucking
yeah.
Mom!
Well, I mean, kick it.
Oh my god, dude.
What are we at?
She just hit real
Already?
fast. Yeah.
Holy fuck.
7-3 now, put me in 3rd.
It's fucking so sick.
Yeah.
Sick.
I wonder how I wonder. So what was that one?
We pooping our
Well,
pants?
what did you guys think?
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Did you think it was cool?
It
I was
was
gonna go to
amazing.
Carowinds next weekend, but there's no need anymore.
But now I have this. Would you do it again?
Hell yeah.
Yes.
All right, that was really short, but did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah. I had whiplash.
Did you feel speed back there?
Yeah.
I feel like the back is like, you don't feel as much.
I mean, you don't have the field of view in front of you
that's
like
what it
that,
is.
but you still definitely
You probably
feel
feel
it.
the tires a lot more when we were getting on the interstate.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I also feel like I probably feel the like bumping, like you know, like sputtering almost
That's true.
in the back.
Well, thanks for being such good sports.
Yeah,
and
hell
coming
yeah.
along.
Taking us and
I
coming
really
up here.
appreciate you guys.
Yeah, it was fun.
Thanks for being a good sport. I kind of got distracted. I went straight from taking my family members for ride-alongs to a photo shoot, hence the outfit change. Today was literally just perfect, full of so many wholesome moments. It was so cool to get to show the ones that I love a little bit about my passions and the things that I loved, reliving these moments literally forever. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you guys next time.
I hope you're saving up for all this tickets